Alright everyone, hello, how is it going? Today, what I'm going to be showing you is this WorkPro, these two sets. These are wrenches. This is a ratchet set with a 38 piece. This one's an 8 piece double ring and wrench set, and these have a bunch of sockets. So I'm just going to be quickly going through it and showing you all the stuff in it, kind of like a mini review. And then I'm going to be straight piping my truck like I do. I call it straight piping because it's not exactly straight piping, just bypassing the muffler and stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll start with this. It's a WorkPro 8-piece double ring and wrench set, and then there's all the stuff, the information, blah blah blah. Then what you gotta do to undo it is flip this up like that. And then there's all these. So we got a 6 millimeter, 7 millimeter, and then it just keeps going. This one's the biggest one is 22 and 20 millimeter. But yeah, they're just wrenches. It's cool. And I'll probably be using these wrenches for the straight pipe because the bolt on my truck on the exhaust is very deep into the screw or whatever, you know what I mean. And these don't have a top, whereas these, let's get into this. What you gotta do, put this up, and then it comes like that. And that's cool. By the way, this is my first tool set, actually, so that's nice. So we have all these sockets, a bunch of them. I think there's like 30 of them, yeah, something like that, 31 or something. All the way from freaking 5.5 to 19 millimeter. That's good, 3/4 and stuff. And then over here we have this way. We have this extension bars. Then we have the ratchets. This one's for the bigger ones. This one's for the smaller ones, obviously. Then we got an adapter. Then we got an extension bar, and then we got spark plug socket thing. So yeah, it's not too big, but not too small. 3/8 piece. I got this on Amazon. He's on Amazon for I don't know, a bit less than 40 bucks. I'm recording this on what, Friday? Yeah, I think it's Friday. And I got these on Wednesday. I just went on a vacation. So, coming back, here it is. They're pretty cool. So yeah, now that this is all done, I'm gonna go outside and straight pipe my truck. I'm gonna back it up to over there because it's kind of cramped in here. So yeah, cold start. There we go. Key. Ignition. There you go. And I'm gonna do a little before and after comparison in a minute because I need to let it warm up. So yeah. Not too loud, but that's gonna change. Okay. Well, oh, everything's falling. I'm gonna take this over there. Then I'm gonna try to straight pipe it. I might take off the air box in there that shields the air because there's really low flow of air, but that might be next video, might be this video, I don't know, depends. Alright, so where I'm at now is over here, this fender. I tried to take it off. I got pretty much all the bolts. There are 3, 1, 2, 3, and then there was one under there, 2 down there, 1 up here. But then there was one right here that was covered by the fender liner, and I just didn't feel like taking it off, so And then all that dirt came out from this fender right here. I didn't document it because I forgot, and it was kind of stressful because I was trying to find the thingy, the last bolt, but it was under the fender liner. So I guess we'll just straight pipe it. So under here this is what I'm gonna be taking off, these bolts. Yeah, that's about it. So I'll be using those wrenches. That'll be nice. To test those out. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, here we go. First startup. Oh my gosh! That's amazing! That actually sounds pretty good, I will say. Alright, I'm gonna do some revs. Put that under there. Damn, something's rattling under there. I don't know, I think it's the exhaust, it's rubbing, but oh my gosh, that did some pops. That was so sick. Dude, oh my gosh, my cat is just meowing away. My cat doesn't like this. Where is she? There she is. She's so scared. Oh no. It is loud. And there was a bunch of pops. Oh, it sounds so good. I mean, since it is a 5-cylinder, jeez, that's loud. Since it is a 5-cylinder, it does have a higher pitch, but still, it sounds actually quite similar to the Subaru, my Subaru, when I did that. But you know, it's all good. All right, I'm gonna put it all back together right now. I'm gonna do a few more revs, but I'll do it before and after, real quick. So yeah. Well, I'm gonna piss all my neighbors off. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. It's hilarious how loud it is. Everyone's all mad now. But it's so quiet, because I think that scared all the dogs. All the dogs are like, instead, because I got a lot of dogs in my neighborhood. All the dogs are like, oh no, there's a big dog. That was weird. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This tool set's pretty good. Nothing broke so far. Probably give you an update. A few things will be coming actually for the exhaust. I might take off the air box. I don't know. I might cut a hole, make it so that there's more air to go in from the fender. I don't know. But yeah. One more sound clip. response is better. Yeah, throttle response is definitely better. So, thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye!